Hello, friends. I hope you're all doing good. This is a new experiment from my side. I've never done unboxing of any stuff. So I happened to face a situation where, while working from home, it so happened that there was a 2 day power cut and I couldn't use my laptop for a long time. Then I started thinking, I don't have a UPS at home because I've never felt the need of it. Bangalore, touchwood, it's been pretty good. I've never seen any power cuts more than half an hour. But I mean, there are two problems that come out here. One is, of course, from the work perspective, the laptop needs some power and you need to have a stable internet connection. So, what I've done is I have a Geo connection, a small dongle, so to say. This helps me keep up with the work because it needs to be charged and you need to have a backup. I mean, kind of a data plan, just like your SIM, and then it works fine. Then for the laptop, I was thinking what could be the option. I didn't want to go in for a big UPS backup because I don't need it really. I mean, for my lighting purpose, I've got these small battery backed up LED inverter bulbs that is serving the purpose for now. So I still wasn't convinced that a UPS should be installed at my house because I don't believe it is a probably not a good ROI. It doesn't have a good ROI because of the fact that I don't have many power cuts. But still, I needed a solution for my laptop. So then I was trying to go through some of the options. One option that came up was a mini integrated UPS, which is about 5 kg in weight, and but it gives you about 40 minutes or 30 minutes at the max. There are multiple brands, right from Microtech to APC also provides one for 8,000 rupees. I was thinking of another option which could be much more compact, portable, and something like that. Then something just chanced my mind, and I thought, why not a power bank? Even a mobile has a power bank, and so laptop should have a power bank. So I started looking around. I saw that there's something known as a laptop power bank. Now, what's the difference? I have a normal power bank. This is from Philips. This is about 20,000 mAh. Why can't I use this? That was my first question that came to my mind. Then I plugged in immediately. I have a USB, if you see, I have a USB socket over here. I plugged in the USB side of it. I had cable. I just used the C-type, the place where I could try to charge the HP laptop. That's what I use for my work, HP Elite book. But then immediately the message popped up in the laptop saying that the power source doesn't have enough wattage for support. I was kind of not clear. Then I started doing digging in. Then I figured out that a normal power bank doesn't have that much of wattage to charge any laptop. Why? A laptop has a 4000 mAh battery roughly, and what happens is you have the charge cable. There is specification written what is the volt and what is the ampere. There, if you see, it is about 19.5 volts and 3 to 3.3 amps. Okay, that comes to around 65 watts. So 65 watt charger is what is being used by the laptop. So you need to supplement that with an equivalent number of wattage. So I started doing the digging. Is there any power banks which really serve the purpose? Because I remember in my previous company, they were giving us a Dell-based power bank. It was not a power bank; it was kind of a adapter come. It could have been also used as a power bank. Then I started seeing that our same model was available for about 6 to 7,000. Then there was HP Endura or some company, some brand. I mean HP. There's a name to the product. HP product. It's a power bank again. That was about 18,000 mAh or something like that, and this Dell one was 12,000 mAh. But then I chanced upon something known as EVM Power Bank. That's a Make in India product. That is a 20,000 mAh and it is a 115 watt power bank charger. That was mind blowing. Then I started looking into it and I figured out that it's a good product. But I called them. Basically, they said it supports any kind of laptop, and also we could return if it's something that's not working, you can return. Then I started looking into the pricing. It was priced at around 9,999 at their website, EVM website. Then I looked in Amazon, Flipkart. It was probably at around 5,399. Then I looked upon this website called vijaysales.com. That is from it's a Mumbai-based e-commerce website. I mean, actually, it's a store, just like your e-zone or any other big electronics outlet. Uh, Reliance Digital or Tata Chroma and stuff like that. So they have a very good e-commerce website. There, this product was getting sold at 4,000 rupees. And I immediately ordered. I called them and I figured out that they have a new product. I mean, it's not a renewed product or refreshed product or something like that. It was a new one. So I took the risk. I ordered. 2 days, voila, I see the product at my home. So the Blue Dart guy gets me the product. And then I'm with this, if you see. Okay, let me turn this around. This is the product that I have ordered. And this is how it looks like. This is EVM 20,000 mAh 100 watt power bank. So it says, if you see here, it says that you can charge all these three in the same go. You can charge the laptop, you can charge the tablet, you can charge the mobile also. Then there are specifications given over here. It basically suits the laptop because laptop needs 65 watts. This is able to give you a maximum of 115 watts, at least based on the specification that I see here. Okay. Then okay, let's do the unboxing here. Okay, it's interesting. I've already unboxed, but just for your sake, I thought let me do the initiation by talking initially and then probably picking up the product. This basically has it has this product. Okay, and this is how it looks. I'll show all the sides. It has two USB ports, and then it has a C-type port, and then it has a normal mini USB port, micro USB port. Okay, then you can see this is the one that shows the power status. Okay, and this is the product. Okay, and on the other side you have nothing. Okay, along with this you get this cable. Okay, this is a good cable. It's quite well manufactured, I must say. It has all the required protection, and this is the C-type. This is the normal C-type port. That's a part of it, and this is the other C-type. They're basically both the sides are C-type. So you plug it onto one end of the C-type over here, the second slot C-type, and then on the other end of the wire goes into the laptop. It was charging. There was no problem. Okay, and I tried charging it with a normal C-type cable. My wife has a OnePlus 6, so I used the same cable. It was charging perfectly fine. It took a little bit more time. I must say it took about 4 to 5 hours to completely charge. Then what I did was I did another round of discharge. Basically, I charged the laptop, I charged my mobile. Then it took about 6 to 7 hours, but it completely charged. So this acts as a good support compared to your UPS, the other UPS. I believe this is portable. The advantages you get is, of course, it's portable, it's easily chargeable, and your laptop effectively, see how many hours will you get. If 20,000 mAh, let's say even if you are able to charge it 4 times, because I read that the HP EliteBook laptop has about 4,000 mAh of battery. So even if I'm able to charge it 4 times, I get the laptop backup 4 times into 1 hour each, let's say for charging, 1 to 4 hours of usage, and then 4 hours of backup. So I think in a day you might not work more than 8 hours. So you're done for the day. Your day is saved. As far as the internet connection is concerned, you can go for this Geo. This is good. Otherwise, you can also use any Wi-Fi router that you're using. You can use a router UPS. There's something known as a router UPS. I'll talk about it later. I plan to book something. There are a couple of options there. not big brands. There are brands like Resonate. There are brands like Octar. Again, Octar, I must talk about it. It's a India Make in India brand. It's from some of the IITians. It's based in UP. I think I plan to buy that, but I'll probably do the unboxing at a later point in time. I hope you found this information useful. I will keep you guys posted on the long term review. I hope this will serve me for a long time. And yeah, that's about it from my side, guys. See you later. Talk to you later, guys.